Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ducky. Yay. Today we will make Engineer Adro will build a building. I'll put my camera here for Adro. Yes. Don't walking. Don't show. Okay. Let's start it. How to start now? How to start now? You need to remember how to start.
Like this?
No, I think this one like this.
Who will buy?
This and you need to use it. You want to use this. So you use this like this to become strong.
Okay.
And then another white there. You need that white.
This side is for cleaning. Like this. It should be like this, Nana.
Okay.
But this side you need to do like this.
Okay. Okay. So we need to connect that. We need to connect that one here. And then the blue one is here. So we need to put like this.
Nana, more tall.
Yeah. So you need to put this like this, Adru.
It's very tall.
Wow.
Yeah, drawing her.
How? I think this white one is yummy. It's blue like this. Like this. Look. You connect this one like this. And then the blue is standing like this. Then the blue is standing like this. Is that?
What?
Oh! It's only like this.
We're not just finished.
Okay.
It's only like this. It's short. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go. Connect the red, the blue one. More blue one. I think blue one.
I need the blue one.
Other want to be a build. Other one needs to build here building. Look. Yay. Let's put this one, Adru. Adru, put this one there. You're doing right or wrong?
Right.
Yeah, it's right.
This is something like this.
It's so ugly. Mm.
What's next? We need one more little.
Put the blue first, like this. Put the blue first there. And then you need to use this to make like this. In the top. Go, poke. Opposite. Ah!
It's not opposite. This side is for cleaning.
No, Adro, you will get bobo. What is that, engineer? No good engineer. You will get bobo like that, nah? Okay, next. Okay, no. You don't want
Here's
to.
dirty.
Okay, we'll put the blue one now. Here you connect this again. I told you need to remember before you remove. I do see. Look. Ta-da! Okay, last blue one. You put the blue one.
Blue. Not blue.
It's wrong. How? Make opposite. Another one. Okay, okay, like that. Wait. No. Yeah, like that. Chakra. Chakra. And then put this low one again. Connect like this. And then, oh no, we need one more blue. Where's another blue? Connect last.
You can use the red.
Yeah. No, beside you. No. This one no more. Him do like. Wow. La 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 la. Oh, then make pok. You need to use this to be more strong. Opposite again.
This is just for cleaning.
But this is the round. Look, it's round. If round, you make like this, it's coming
But
falling
this
down.
is small. This is
It's
something.
come falling down to your hand.
It will be like this. Big.
You need to use the flat. Okay.
That is I know. But this one is small. So it's going to be here.
Then next is
You don't know how to use it. So it's really nice.
how is the next.
Next, you need to make the triangle. Okay, mommy?
Yeah, how to make the triangle now?
Like this. Like this.
Okay. Like that. Okay, do it. And yellow. You need the yellow one. Oh wow! But you need to first when you build the building now, you need to put first down here. You need to put first. You need to check this one or not.
Yeah.
Maybe no. Oh no. Maybe the yellow.
Little one.
Wow. Okay, check.
Three.
How to make this? How to make the triangle now? First, we need to connect this one. Drew, I think we need to connect this one like this first. Then we need to check from here. I think like this.
Put one here.
Oh yeah, I'm right. No, the green one. The green one. Put the green one. Opposite. How I make? Yeah, it's like this. Yeah. Then
Another green here.
another. You need to make like this, same, baby. In the another side. Okay, I will let you to do alone. I will watch you.
No!
I did this. So you need to do alone. You're engineer na. Do it. Wow. It's done. Yeah, maybe. I think it's right. Then you need to connect two red first. Two red. Oh yeah. No. Yes. Then you need to connect two red like this. Ah, la 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 la.
Something missing.
The white one is there. There. Down the table. There.
I saw it from but I didn't see.
Yeah. Then connect the two red. Wow. Perfect. Uh, Very good. Now the triangle.
How we can make a triangle? Oh, we need to use the yellow.
Yeah. Good girl. So, do the yellow, do the yellow. Like this. Wow. Now you need to check to connect here.
Not it ready.
This one this side.
No.
No. That's why. This one inside, the yellow inside like this. That's why it like this. Okay, try. Try now. Support. Aywa. Wow. This perfect. Now you need to make same. There's very good engineer now. Oh, poke. Heavy, strong. You need to make strong. Poke. Another side.
Only this side.
Then,
We still have more red. I think we don't need that.
you need to make some na triangle. You need to make some
Another.
triangle. Huh? Some triangle. Very good. Wow, perfect. Shastra. You need to make poke. You need to poke here. Poke. Opposite, baby. Other opposite. Ay, very good. Aywa. Wow, very good. And I think one is missing. One thing is missing, the white one like this. Where is that? I should stand up. Oh, no more. I told you now, that's why you need to slowly, throwing. Maybe inside this. Oh, I found. Fix now.
Why we need this one?
Of course, in the middle. To make more, to be strong. To be strong, you're building. Pok. Aywa. Pok. Boom. Pok. Now you can put na in the middle. Then your building is full, it's complete.
The pop.
I need the pok. I need the pok. I need the pok. I need the pok daw. Sunod naman siya, pok daw. Pok. Okay. Wow, very good engineer. Wow, now fix. And your color is rainbow. connect all, then will be strong. Oh, good. Ah, it's broken. No strong pop pop pop. Done. Connect na. Wow. Wow. Uy, 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 uy. Aywa. Now it's strong. Now enough. Finish. Then we need to put this na. Really good. You want to come inside or you want to sit inside? Okay. Ta-da! Ah! Wait, 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 wait. No need to touch na then. After we put this one, will be strong. Just have to pull this one down. Just pull down this baby. Now you can fix alone next time you're home. Your building is so beautiful. Wow. Where is Adru? Boo. Up. Wow. Oh, another side. Another side. You need to pull down. You need to fix very well down. You need to put in the yellow one. This will be. Wow. You know.
Yes, put it in my slide.
Okay.
My trampoline slide.
So we'll put them same. We'll put this one inside also. This. We'll put this one inside.
Just move my home.
Same before. Wait. Come. Up first. Yay. Okay, gimme. You need to hold properly. Wow. Okay na.
Put the slide here.
Okay. Hi. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Hi,
I
guys.
look like Hanisha now.
So cute. Okay. We'll put in the
I like to
center.
see more than this one. I'm gonna make it like this looking.
Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Adra is done. It's done now.
Let me go inside.
Huh? Wow. Round and round. Sampalan natin ba mga. Wow!